tasks are used to collect certain information from the connected control computers that you want to monitor. This information can then be displayed in a graph, sent via email to a remote device, the data created can be used in applications to create additional business intelligence. This is an example of how to set up a sample of the inside temperature from an F38 computer every 15 minutes. From the operations screen, click on the Tasks button bottom left of the menu column. If not already highlighted, click on the Sample Task button. This will open the sample window that contains a list of samples associated with a particular control, the data source detail, the schedule. In the top menu bar, click on the clock with the green cross. This will open the new sample task window. Click on Add for data sources and select the climate control for the house concerned. In this case, an F38 H2.7. Click Next, which will open the operations window for that control. Select the temperature screen top left. Once open, click on the temperature field at the top. This will open a text ID edit window. Enter an appropriate name for this field, such as Inside Temperature House 5. Then click OK. Click Finish. At this point, you can add additional data sources. Now click Next to set up the schedule for this sample. The schedule will allow you to customize when sampling happens and how many times. For this instance, change the hour setting to 0 and the minutes to 15. If you adjust the number of samples or period of sampling, the system will recalculate. Click Next and give the sample a name such as F38 House 5 every 15 minutes. Standard collection is to export to CSV, but it is also possible to store raw values. Click Finish and the sample task is set. You can confirm the configuration by reopening the sample window for a specific control by clicking on the control. Choose the sample displayed in the top window and check details in the other windows. If incorrect, double-click the sample and edit accordingly. The sample CSV file is stored in the C drive under FarmManager Samples. It is now possible to set up graphs, email notification from this data, or use the CSV to populate another system.